Ladies and gentlemen, today we have one more live trade call in the stock market in this company Cons, which was named at stockmarketlive.tv as one of the worst companies in the world to invest in. Therefore, we recommended to invest on the short side, and during the entire course of 2014 we never upgrade this stock and we always maintain a bearish scenario in Cons, which it has been extraordinarily important, as well as the prediction of that important bonds in Cons coincident with a blog post live at Stock Market Live blog, $31 an hour, all the way up to $50. In June-July 2014, I reiterated the strong sell rating once again in this company, precisely above $48, and in a matter of 5 months the stock collapsed all the way down in December to the price that you see on the chart, the $14.70. So finally, since we are tired of being short Cons and our work it is complete, I always call this a bubble and a scam, and you have to refer to the innumerous posts on the blog of the company, we decided to recommend finally to close short positions in Cons because of the important large profits made by investing in one of the worst companies in the world. So where you find this information that you had for months in the blog of the company? Here, precisely the worst companies in the world to invest in. And you have a case study, the guaranteed stock market crash of 2014. And this was guaranteed, we named it the guaranteed stock market crash of 2014, precisely in this company Cons. And we also refer to other calls that we made in the stock market, for example the case of Lululemon or GCPenney or Best Buy or Rackspace or OCZ Technology last year in 2013, where also we include here some testimonials. All these stocks, they collapsed, and Cons, it had to collapse. And today what I consider that is relevant to mention here in this case study, it is precisely one thing that I want to show you, because I addressed these news that meanwhile they came out during the course of 2014, which I'm going to show you. This individual that you find already addressed numerous times in our blog, this individual reported in this website Business Insider, it is a website in the US. This individual, a fund manager, reported a 9% stake in this company Cons. And when he reported 9% stake in the company Cons, I was reiterating the strong sell rating in Cons. So at that time the stock was up basically, or almost, as you can see, 9% on the news. So this obviously many investors, those small investors, they bought the stock at that price, or they were buying the stock, and we were once again reiterating, I repeat, precisely at this price, we were reiterating the strong sell in Cons. So what do you see a few months later, after this individual decided to buy or to invest in Cons, buying a 9%, a huge stake in this company? And obviously that was a severe mistake. Several months later, what you have, it is precisely this situation. So everyone that bought on the news, several months later you lost again entirely your account. But this was the expected scenario. And why it was the expected scenario? My friends, because it has been here, we never failed, so why would we fail this time? The probability to fail, it was absolutely zero. This company was named a scam, the worst companies in the world to invest in. And then the title of the case study, guaranteed stock market crash of 2014. Moreover, if you continue reading the blog of the company, you find that we never upgrade this company and we remain at bearish during the entire course of 2014. And so today obviously you have this stock completely melt down and the stock back to the prices where it was a few years later. And it is funny